Driven from their homes by herdsmen, thief youth turned Kogi community into food baskets. Kajola Market, Ayetoro, Gbede in the Ijumu local government area of Kogi State is always busy with activities every other 5 days when market men and women from virtually all over Kogi, Ekiti and Ondo State gathered for the purpose of buying and selling. The market men and women that patronize the market deal more in farm products, mainly root crops, vegetables, processed foodstuffs, and grains, among others. On a particular market day in late February 2021, when Daily Post reporters was at the market on casual visit, a group of youths later understood to be the thief origin in Benue State were spotted. On this particular day, the thief youths who were attired in t-shirts bearing Thief Youth Association Ijumu local government area were in a meeting that was obviously well attended at a corner in the expansive market. In other areas of the market are places that have come to be known as Nyam depots. Their trucks of various size are seen loaded, healthy tubers of yam for transportation to other parts of the country, especially Lagos. Sources in the town who spoke to this reporter also disclosed that aside yams, the community and others within Ijumu local government area have become centers of commercial activities for vegetables, cassava and rice farming, among many others. This, according to sources, is courtesy of the thief youth who came to the communities with their farming skills and expertise. A community leader and one of the sub-obas in Ayetoro Gbede, Chief Enoch Maye, attributed the newfound status of his community to the coming of thief people and the way they were received and accommodated by the community. The Ayetoro community and Ijumu people in general are very accommodating people, and that's what we have extended to thief people, and of course that has made them feel at home and encouraged them to do their farming. They are comfortable in our communities and well received by all and sundry. We cannot take that away from the success they have recorded, he said. On the new food basket status of the communities, Chief Enoch said, though one cannot take away the fertilities of the land in the area, most of the credit goes to the thief people, as the people of the area has for years been engaged in small-scale farming, but they are engaging in large-scale and commercial farming. There is no doubt that things have greatly improved when it comes to farming, especially in Ayetoro Gbede. Before now, we only engaged in farming activities to feed our families, and the little that's left is sold. But with the coming of the thief people, we can now engage in large farming and have more than enough to sell. Thank you for listening to this news. You see, my viewers, if you are really looking for the people to invest on as per agriculture, I recommend you to the thieves, the Benuis. They are very, very versatile and the worth being invested on. Do you understand? The worth being invested on. You see, when we are talking about food production, aside from the northern region, we are talking about the Benues. And that is why I just laugh when um, when the northerners were threatening that they will stop the supply of food to southeast. I said in my broadcast that if they dare try it, that that is going to be their end. That's going to be their end, because that is their only source of livelihood, agriculture. They don't have any source. So if they don't have who to patronize them, automatically they will eat their food alone and suffer poverty, because they will definitely need something else somewhere, somehow. You understand? And that is just the humble truth. So, and there is no way they will be able to eat their food alone. They will definitely need a buyer. They will need a buyer. They will need people to patronize them. Considering the fact that the people, considering the fact that agriculture is a perishable item that can only last within just 1 or 2 weeks, we bring them a lot of losses. So they need buyers. They need people to patronize them, or else they will die in poverty. So, my dear viewers, we just need to tell ourselves the truth, because without telling ourselves the truth, I wonder what will definitely become of us. You understand? I wonder what will become of us. So I value the thief people and their love for agriculture, because it's quite encouraging and it has added to the GDP of the country. So let me hear from you, at least let me know what you have to say about this very issue. So whatsoever it is, don't feel to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.